Washington gives you 2 days' notice to enter a rental for most reasons, but only 1 day when you are showing the unit. Most templates carry neither number. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Washington requires 9 separate landlord disclosures, one of the heaviest loads we measured anywhere. Beyond entry, it sets rules on the security deposit and its return, when rent is due, late fees, bounced check fees, extended tenant absence, repair and deduct, early termination by the tenant, whether an oral lease is enforceable, lease renewal, and abandoned tenant property. Here is the finding that shaped this page. In Washington, the deepest thing ranking is not a form hub at all. It is a law-loaded document page, and the 2 actual form hubs are shallower than it, so an index-only page would rank below both. So our hub carries document-grade legal substance beside the index. Every form fillable, every Washington rule stated. At tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com, we run credit, criminal, and eviction reports same day, no monthly fees. Get your free Washington forms and screen your next tenant at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.